It is possible that after performing the previous step, your cube will be solved. This step is to correctly position the edge pieces in the top and final layer of your cube. In the first scenario, you will have all of your corners solved, but no complete side. If this is the case, simply perform this algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. This will solve one complete side. Position the solved side to the rear of the cube and repeat the algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Congratulations, your cube is now solved. If you do have one solved side, place to the back and perform this algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Congratulations, Cuber! Your journey is complete.